Okay, we have a Hardinge Bridgeport CNC Vertical Machining Center, 4-axis, model XV710, serial number 770653. Machine is new in 2007. We're going to run her for you. It's got a 20 ATC side-mounted tool changer, Cat 40 tooling. We'll start with a tool change. All right. One more. Again, it's a 8,000 RPM spindle, starting up at 1,500. 3,500. 5,500 RPM. All right. That's your Z axis. It's 18 inches in Z, 28 in X, and 18 in Y. 16.5 by 29.9 inch table. And the B. And again, that's all through the control. The machine also does have a chip conveyor. Actually, they're showing it as an A-axis on the control, but okay. You can see there you have all 4 axes there. You have a chip conveyor. And it can be inspected in our warehouse. Hey, thank you for watching our video.